vlog we will be checking out our Insta360 One X2, and I will be sharing with you the advantages of why this particular camera is required, because it helps us into, basically it helps me into taking a footage into different angles by just mounting it in one corner. Okay, one corner of your bike or your helmet, and you can have different views. Now I'm not touching the Insta 361 X2, and you can see now I'm on the tiny planet mode, and now I'm going to switch it to ultra wide, and I will take a cinematic view of the sky and the trees. Now in normal camera you need to actually shift it to different angles, but added advantage with Insta360 One X2 is you can shoot, keep it in any direction, and then take whatever angle you want. Okay, so whatever angle is your requirement. So this is what I want to show you. Now you see the sky, it's such beautiful, and the trees. Now this is what in a normal camera I could not do it, right? I had to get down from the bike, or I need to change the position of the helmet, I have to look up. Now I'm looking straight forward, and still I'm being able to capture all this 360 degrees of around me, right? So this is the plus point of the 360 One X2, and the clarity is quite good. It records on 5.7K. Yes, it has its own minuses, but it has the things which it has no other camera has. It has flow state stabilization. Now when I'm riding, you can see there is a lot of vibration on the because of the road, but you cannot feel in the footage because flow state stabilization controls all this, which gives a remarkable footage which you can post it on your YouTube channel, your Insta stories, your Facebook. Now this Insta360 One X2 it is mounted on my handlebar, okay, with a invisible stick. So you can see now, you can see my handlebar, but you can't see any camera, right? So this is another advantage towards Insta360 degree cameras, because you can record whatever you want from whichever angle you want just by mounting it. And when you put the footage, now I have risen up the selfie stick, you can see a higher view. So this gives you so much in a package of just one camera. And the definition of this camera is, I have used GoPro, and I'm still using, plus I used an Sena 10C Evo, which is a helmet Bluetooth plus camera. But this is remarkable. Camera is none other than Insta360 One X, which I'm holding in my hand. Now you know the beauty of this 360 camera is it has this 180 degrees lens which covers everything on your 180 degrees front and 180 degrees back. So it basically covers a 360 degrees angle, and this, you know, the finish of this also is so amazing. It has this rubbish type of finish, so you can put it in your pocket also. So it is the most convenient camera which you can ever carry. Now let me make you just the essential. What I have done for this camera is this lens guard, which comes in this pack. Okay, so you can see this, which is one very essential as per me, because this as you can see, this is portraying outside, and if you keep it down, so it can get damaged. So it's better always wise enough to protect it with a camera, with a lens protector. So I have put this lens guard. Now the beauty of this camera is, if you see, they have given a small screen. I know it's not the best, but I can tell you one thing, that it still makes a lot of sense to have a screen where you can actually see what kind of clips have you done, right? So you can view all the clips whatever you have taken. Okay, now if you see here, what you're getting is basically a 360 degrees view. Okay, or you can have a panoramic view, and this is basically a 150 degrees view which you're getting at the moment. Okay, as you can see on the camera. I hope it is clear. Now you go back to 360 because I keep it in that mode. Now it has modes which you can, this is basically to brighten the screen, lower the brightness. Then you have lock screen, you have LED on and off, which is basically this light here. Then you have something called quick capture is on. Basically quick capture is, you just keep the camera on, and once it goes in sleeping mode, you can either wake it up by touching this button or by your Bluetooth connectivity. You have this AirPod, you can connect it as I have connected, or any other Bluetooth. Then you have audio. I have kept it on wind reduction, or you can keep it on 360 directional focus, because then you will get all the sound from 360 degrees, because it covers 4 mics. One is here, the second one is on the other side of the camera, the third is here, and the fourth one is here. So then you have the voice control, which is this one, and then you have settings. So settings has many options. Okay, it has general, basically you can connect it to your laptop, Mac, anything. You just need to connect the USB-C cable to your laptop and it will get connected. Prompt sound is anything which you are connecting, you connect, it will prompt you a sound. Bluetooth wake up is by basically Apple Watch. Then you have auto power off, then auto flicker mode, where it anti flicker, where it will, you have captions where it will not flicker. Languages. So that's it from me. So see you in my next vlog. God bless, be safe, take care, ciao, bye bye.